Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your router broadcasts a stable 4 GHz network and you have the password handy. Next, pick a central controller or voice assistant as your hub so devices can communicate. This reduces isolated apps. Once done, power each smart device and activate pairing mode, usually a button press or long hold, so the hub can discover it. Connect the hub to your Wi-Fi and test one device first to confirm basic control and network visibility. You now add discovered devices into the hub app, naming them clearly and assigning a room so voice commands and automations stay intuitive. Once devices are listed, create scenes and routines. Choose triggers such as time, sensor activity, or geolocation, then define actions like dim lights or adjust thermostat. Make sure to include conditions to avoid unintended triggers. For example, only run night scenes after sunset. Finally, group devices by function and test combined actions to confirm timing and sequence. You finish by securing accounts, set unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and create a guest network for visitors to keep devices isolated. Once done, run comprehensive tests, control devices locally and remotely, trigger automations, and check for delays so you catch timing or permission issues. Make sure firmware is up to date across hub and devices. If a device fails, try power cycle and repair. If problems persist, check Wi-Fi channel congestion and move the hub closer to weak devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.